The fuck is it? It's on. It's on. It's on. It's on, na? See?
Yeah.
Huh.
Hi. Is it
Yeah. You already.
all right? Okay. Thank you so much, Amul India, for inviting me for this live cooking session, a healthy cooking session. Thank you for all your lovely products that you've sent me. Let me just show you this lovely, set of ingredients that you've sent me. Each and everything is so helpful in my kitchen. And okay, so coming back to, let me introduce myself first. My name is Dr. Riya Banerjee Ankola, and I'm basically a doctor and a food therapist. So I'll explain to you exactly in a minute what do I do. So my profession is basically clubbing my clinical knowledge with cooking skills. So a lot of you who are eating right all across the world who are watching this live session right now, you will 100% would be wanting to eat right or are already eating right. But what happens is you have very minimal options. You don't know what to eat, especially when it comes to dessert. So I that's the reason I plan to do this healthy dessert for all of you. So what I'm going to do today is basically a healthy vanilla chocolate pudding, which is, I've kept 2 3 things in mind. One is certainly with uh, whatever is available in your kitchens right now, because a lot of you don't have house help, a lot of you don't have too much time to cook, and a lot of you want to eat a lot of healthy, but of course nice and fancy things also, and which obviously your favorite stores are closed, so you cannot order them, and you can't go out and eat in a restaurant right now. So here it is. It's a healthy chocolate vanilla pudding. How do we begin to do this? So first thing for the whole recipe, what all I required. So I required this full fat milk, Amul full fat milk. Okay. Then I require fresh cream. I'll tell you how much or what I require. And these chocolates, you are most welcome to choose whichever, because these are very low on sugar, very low. And all my patients eat them, and they're really, very easy to get them and all that. And I used, this is another ingredient. This is a cooked राइस. ये घर में आप जो चावल बनाते हैं उसको मैश किया हुआ. So it's almost a cup, that is around 200 ml cup. And this I have used, of course, a good quality vanilla, and then pink salt, because table salt again is a thing which should not be used so much. Then of course this is something, if you require a little more sweetness, a maple syrup. If you don't have a maple syrup, you're most welcome to use honey or a jaggery powder or a coconut sugar, whatever you have, but lesser the better. Okay, so here we begin. There are 4-5 simple steps to it. First thing is, I'm making the last thing that is going to go on the pudding first. This is a cream cheese. This is a cream cheese made with full fat milk. Okay, a full fat milk. Here you go. You take 1 full liter of full fat milk. I will put up the entire recipe on my page, as well as I'll put it up, share it with the Amul page. So please don't worry if you have missed anything. Then in this, to this, we add around about, I'm not using so much of cream, but yes, since it's cream cheese, we require almost, say, for 1 liter, it's 200 ml, 200 ml of cheese. Okay, cream, sorry. This is the cream I've used. Thank you, Amul. It is very difficult to get ingredients anywhere. Amul ingredients are available, and thank you for sending it across, which is really helpful for me for this. So you have to now bring this to boil. Okay, bring this to boil. If possible, what you can do, just for the cream to mix in well, what we can do is we can just whisk it up. Just whisk it up a bit so that it's easily blended. And to this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up a pinch of pink salt. Okay, pink salt or any salt is okay, but pink is a a better this thing. So yeah, so we boil this. Okay, let this come to a boil. Till then, what we do, we don't waste time at all. This is Amul. So I've taken this here on a double boiler. So this I've taken Amul bitter chocolate, which you can see the literally it's literally very little sugar added to it. It's like 75%. So here we take it on water. We let this boil and let.
What is the dish name?
This is a healthy chocolate vanilla pudding. So we are using all the healthy ingredients that Amul has sent without using any extra sugar, except the little bit that is there in the chocolate, which is minimal, that really doesn't harm. And here it is. This is going to be going on a double boiler. Okay, so let the chocolate melt. Till then.
And someone's asking what is pink salt?
Pink salt, you can just Google it, you will find out. You will find out pink salt. Pink salt is very easily available everywhere, all across India, all across the globe. Pink salt अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो आप सेंधा नमक यूज कर सकते हैं, या ऑफ कोर्स काला नमक मत यूज करिएगा, नहीं तो टेस्ट ही चेंज हो जाएगा. सो आप देख रहे हैं दो चीज, एक दिस इज बॉइलिंग द चॉकलेट on the double boiler, so this will melt. Let that melt on its own. Cream cheese हम wait कर रहे हैं, ये boil हो जाएगा. As soon as this comes to boil, we'll wait for this to boil. So till then, any questions, I will take it up till this milk and this thing boils up.
So pink salt is not black salt, no? It's different.
No, absolutely not. Pink salt is not black salt, and both are very good. Black salt is also very good. Rock salt is very good. Sea salt is good. Pink salt is good. Anything basically which is organic and which is not processed is very, very good. Yeah. Any other? So basically, I'll tell you what happens in our kitchen. We should be able to cook up these healthy things, and why I'm calling it healthy all the more because I have not used any extra sugar in this. And it is made out of very pure products, and a lot of people who, these days do this mistake. They are not lactose intolerant. They do not have any problems with milk. But just for the sake of weight loss, they just leave milk. And I have seen a lot of people doing that, coming to my clinic. And then what I have seen is they land up with a lot of, mineral deficiencies, vitamin deficiencies, calcium deficiencies, a lot of things have happened.
Veda, there are some questions.
Yeah.
Can you microwave chocolate?
Please, no. No, I mean, I don't do that. I mean, I will not get into this topic because you can microwave it, but I myself don't do cooking in microwave. And that's a separate topic in itself, so we will not.
And one person is asking, can we add anything as the replacement of fresh cream?
You can just skip it. It's okay. If you are not getting fresh cream, you can skip it. Though it's all there everywhere in the market now. It's all come up. So here we come back to this. So ये हो गया है आपका. Okay. Now this is done. The milk has boiled. Boil करते करते you can just put it off. I hope it doesn't fall.
Just remove this thing.
Yeah, that's okay. Here it is. Okay. This is around 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Isko just mix it up. एंड दैट्स इट. अभी और कुछ नहीं करना है आपको. ये करके एक स्टर, हमने गैस बंद कर दिया है. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी डू इज लुक हियर, वी जस्ट स्ट्रेन दिस. आपको मसलिन क्लॉथ की जरूरत नहीं है, यू कैन स्ट्रेन दिस. The chena, the cottage cheese has come. You can actually use it for your cooking also, but then we will use, and देखो ये नीचे you can see the way. We are not going to throw this, we are going to use this because this is really protein for your for people, all those people who are working on muscles. Okay, so here it is. We leave this to become thanda now.
We've got a few more questions.
Yeah.
Can we use cream cheese if available? If yes, how much?
Absolutely. If you can use cream cheese, it's just for decoration, so not a problem. You don't. I'll show you by the end of the recipe. You will know. Cream cheese is just maybe 200 grams or 100 grams is what you require. But rather make it na ghar pe bana lo. But you know, if I was looking, in fact, if Amul had one, I would have shared it here. But yeah, you can use. There's no harm in using.
And one person is asking, can we use cocoa in place of chocolate?
You can use cocoa in place of chocolate. Yes, you can. You can use cocoa, but then there are Amul has these zero sugar chocolates. Plus, Amul has a 90 and 99% chocolate that has absolutely zero sugar. So those are very easily available. You just need to check up with the Amul page or the stores. They will certainly help you.
And one person is asking how much chocolate should be used.
So chocolate, see what we did. This is almost half a bar. Okay, this melted chocolate is almost half a bar, like half a bar of this. So this is a 150 grams, so about 75 grams. Okay, now the main thing. अब ये chocolate आप देख रहे हो melt हो गया है. Okay, this chocolate has melted. This is basically a fun thing to do, so I am adding it here. It's like, you know, of course if you don't have time, you can just use grated chocolate. But what I am teaching you over here is a very, very interesting thing, which is here. See, now this chocolate has melted. Okay, this chocolate has melted on the double boiler. आप इसको बंद करो. Okay, now what you do is, I'll tell you. You can see what I'm doing here. Just take this chocolate. Okay, these are molds. These are greased molds. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा ये chocolates को आप इसमें you don't need to add sugar. You don't need to do anything. Just fill in each mold. Okay, just fill in each mold. Whatever shape you want, you can do. Just that you need to make a few. This thing बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं fill करना है इसको, because we don't want very thick chocolates.
Can we use dahi instead of vinegar?
No, this cream cheese में वो taste नहीं आएगा. Then वो आपका कलाकंद बन जाएगा फिर तो.
And can lactose intolerant people have it?
Lactose intolerant, well, I am not sure what level of lactose intolerance you have, but this particular recipe, I would say no, because this has milk in it. This has milk, so I will put up another recipe for people who are severely lactose intolerant. Okay, here you go. So आप ऐसे करके इसको fill करो. Okay, just fill these chocolates up. This is just for fun. You can put them in the fridge. Okay, थोड़ा सा ठंडा होने हम यहाँ रख देते हैं. ये ठंडा हो जाएगा तो इसको फ्रिज में रख देंगे. Okay, so now coming back to the main chocolate pudding. Here you go.
Someone's asking, please tell me some ways how to use chena water.
I will tell you. Let us finish the cooking now. So first thing that we do now is the main pudding base. So the main pudding base has again half a slab of, I've used actually 90% or you can use 75%, or you can use this zero sugar one also. This half a slab with half liter water. Okay, half a liter of water. And we are not adding any sugar to it. We're not adding any sugar to it because this in itself will make it pretty sweet. So you don't need, but yes, you're most welcome. If you require more sweetness, you can add a little bit of maple honey, all that once it's done. Now this just takes 5 minutes to boil. Okay, this just takes 5 minutes to boil. Just give it 5 minutes. Any more questions till then, I will take it up. So tell me anything, if there is anything.
Lemon juice instead of vinegar.
Yeah, lemon juice works. Lemon juice works. Lemon juice. Okay, here it is. ये हमने गैस बंद कर दी. Okay, गैस बंद कर दी. Now just mix it. Whoever over here on this who's watching this, अगर आपको ganache बनाना आता है, so this is very similar to ganache. It's just chocolate and milk. So instead of cream, we are adding milk. But if you want a very, very, rich dessert, you're most welcome to do that. And you're also most welcome to use Amul ka low-fat milk, Amul ka toned milk. All those things are also there, so you can use those. So here you go. We mix it really well. Okay, and leave it to become thanda, a bit thanda. Here again, I bring back my whisker. Okay, here, this really helps. So since we are not using a non-stick pan here, so I am using a whisker. So otherwise on a non-stick you can't use a metal. Okay, so here you go. This is what it is, and this is ready. This chocolate part of the whole thing, the pudding. Now the second part.
So you made the ganache with milk, no?
Yes, I made the ganache with milk. Now next thing is almost 200 ml of cooked rice with 500 ml of milk. Okay, this is like आप घर में खीर बनाते हैं ना. It's a rice pudding. So it will come out to be exactly the same way. It will not be very grainy because हमने rice को पूरे अच्छी तरीके से like mash up कर लिया है. Okay, now let this cook up. Okay, let this cook very well. इसमें यहाँ पे क्या हम करेंगे, you can see is this vanilla flavor. So I had this very nice vanilla syrup, okay, with me, and this is, इसको थोड़ा मीठा करना पड़ेगा. So I am adding, as per your taste, you can add maple honey. If you're adding honey, please make sure you add it after it's cooked. And even if you're adding jaggery, make sure it's added after it's cooked. Only coconut sugar, palm sugar, these are things and maple syrup are things you can add to the rice pudding while it's cooking. Okay, so इसमें हमने क्या डाला, vanilla and maple, and that's it. Rice and milk. These are 4 things, and this cooks in like 3 to 4 minutes. Boil जैसे ही हुआ, because it's so this thing, what do you call? It's already cooked. Any questions here?
What have you put in the pan again?
This is milk, 500 ml of milk, 250 ml cup of cooked rice, mashed cooked rice. White rice is pretty good. Please don't use brown rice for this, that the taste will not be good.
And what are the syrups you put?
I put vanilla, which it was not sweetened. Vanilla syrup was not sweetened. There was no sugar added. Maple syrup is pure maple syrup. Any pure maple syrup would do.
And can you put castor sugar?
castor sugar, see, it's a healthy recipe, so I do not promote too much of, white sugar added to this. So that's why the chocolates that Amul has sent me, because it's a healthy recipe. If you want to make it as a, a recipe for just like a party or a cheat meal, which I also do very often, you can make it with castor sugar. You can add any sugar, then that's totally up to you. Okay, here, see now, ye bilkul, like, it's become creamy. It's become absolutely creamy. Okay, now what we do is, इसको थोड़ा गाढ़ा करना पड़ेगा, because अगर गाढ़ा नहीं किया तो the whole thing won't become stiff. Here you go. हो गया ये consistency, बिल्कुल thick खीर की जो consistency होती है, this is what we need to get it to. Alright, here, so now we come to the next step to this. That would be, you have to be a little careful here how you do the. Now what we do, come, now I'll show you. We need to keep all this to make it thanda, okay? To make it thanda. Now the first layer is the rice pudding. Please do check for the sweetness, okay? The first layer is the rice pudding. So rice pudding थोड़ा सा ठंडा हो जाने दीजिए. Okay, 1 second, just 2 minutes.
Is this high in protein?
Yes, it is high in protein, because I'm going to be adding ऊपर से cream cheese, okay? So which is also, so see, this is how थोड़ा सा we need to get this to room temperature. Second thing is, what we do is, we also keep clearing the kitchen along with the cooking, which is really important. So see, now you give another mix to the chocolate thing, and here it is. You have to be very careful here. The chocolate and vanilla jo hai, you should not mix this, okay? It should be covering the vanilla completely, okay? So see, it's a bit warm right now, so आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा exactly, okay? Here it is, okay? Clear the edges, okay? Here you go. So see, now for your convenience, I have already done this. So this is how the vanilla, and this is the chocolate. So let the vanilla cool down first, the rice kheer, the vanilla kheer that we made, and then put उसके ऊपर ये chocolate का layer, which see, I have kept it like for 4 to 5 hours in the fridge, which is pretty set now. Now, how do we make the cream cheese? Let us revise that entire step. So here we go. We come back to the decoration. First is this, we have to put it in the fridge, okay? This we have to put it in the fridge. The chocolate that we made, we have to put it in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours. Let that be there, okay? Cream cheese कैसे बनाते हैं? Now see this. This is 1 liter of milk, full fat milk, boiled with 200 ml of cream, Amul cream. So Amul full fat milk I took. This इसको boil करके with a pinch of salt, and I added, once it came to boil, I added 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar नहीं है तो नींबू आपको थोड़ा ज़्यादा डालना पड़ेगा, but it becomes very very bitter then. Okay, you have to be very careful. Then we strain it. जैसे ही वो milk and ये cheese and whey अलग अलग हो जाएगा in the boiling pan, you just don't need to stir it. Just separate the two in a normal छन्नी घर पे. And this is what we do is put this and leave it to become thanda, because it cannot go in a mixie while it's very hot. Otherwise, you will land up in a calamity. Okay. So here, this. Now see, this is what we do. we use the whey. This is super high in protein. We use all the whey. I mean, not all. So this is whatever comes out of the 1 liter milk and 200 ml cream. Whatever paneer comes out, chena comes out. We use almost 200 ml of whey in it. And this is what we do. Okay. Here, now see this. This is just, see, this is still a little grainy. So what we do is, we add some more water, the whey to it. ठीक है, ये बन गया आपका क्रीम चीज. क्रीम चीज बन गया. नाउ क्रीम चीज को क्या करना है, आई विल टेल यू.
Someone's asking, can we make this with Shrikhand? I think it was a serious question.
You know, Shrikhand, well, with chocolate, itna khatta, you know, you can do that. It's totally up to your taste, of course, because I know you will be tempted. A lot of people have asked me this question. So, cream cheese, okay. Cream cheese अभी हम कैसे बनाएंगे? Cream cheese में ये थोड़ा maple हमने डाला, because maple will make it a bit sweet, okay. And ये vanilla का 2 चम्मच और डाला, okay. And just mix it very well. And you need to put this in the fridge for at least an hour to stiffen up. मतलब बहुत stiffen नहीं होना है, but still, I mean, it'll become, yes, it'll become.
Does the whey have a sour taste? No.
No, it does have a mildly sour taste, but added to the cottage cheese, वो खत्म हो जाता है. So now this will go in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Okay, this will go in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Done. Now we come back to the decoration, which is my favorite part. So.
Can people add honey to the cream cheese?
Yes. You can add honey. So here, now, cream cheese. This was the cream cheese that we made. I added a little extra whey to it. I added a little extra whey when I was making it. So you can add less. And this is, I want this consistency because ये fridge में at least 5 से 7 घंटे के लिए जाएगा. Okay. Now you can see rice layer. You can see the rice layer. This is the chocolate layer. And now is the cream cheese, which I want it to be a bit creamy only. I don't want it to stiffen up too much, okay? This is what it's going to look like, okay? And बहुत ज़्यादा क्या 3-4 चम्मच डाला है, okay? And now what we do is, see, these were the chocolates that we used to mold up in the mold, okay. So you can put, see it, these chocolates are really fresh and creamy. So 15-20 minutes we have kept it out. It's become a little this thing, what do you call, soft, yeah. So we just can't keep it for like 20 minutes. For decoration, what we can do, I'll tell you. I'll come back to this. Till then, any questions, please let me know.
1 minute, I'll just see.
Yeah.
Can you use that cream cheese as a cheese spread?
Yes, please make it as a savory, make it as a nice dip with your this thing, what do you call. So here you go, my most favorite part of decoration.
And maple substitute, someone's asking.
Honey is the best substitute for maple. If you don't have maple, you can use coconut sugar, palm sugar. You can use, normal जो आपका वो होता है शक्कर, that unprocessed sugar.
And you can add some other flavor in the cream cheese.
Anything you feel you can add. Absolutely okay. Here you go. Yeah.
And someone's asking, do you know how to convert that liquid whey into a powder?
That you find out and let me know. That you can tell Amul India, they will do the needful. Because I am still not.
And can this cream cheese be used making cheesecake?
Yes. I use it for cheesecake. I use it for tiramisu. Tiramisu, though, when I don't get mascarpone, I use this. Then I use it for my, savories. Like, when I want to make a dip with some for a party or something, then I sometimes just put it on a pizza with this thing. Okay.
And 1 second, how long can you store the cream cheese?
So the cream cheese can be stored for at least 10 to 15 days in your fridge. Okay. So here you go. This is what it is. Don't leave. So I'm not adding these chocolates because they're still melted. Okay. I will add them later. Those molten those chocolates that we kept in the mold. So here it is. It's a yummy chocolate vanilla pudding with so many layers in it. Healthy, no added sugar to it. And you have to keep this now in the fridge so that it will stay in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours. And you can, eat them like after it's set and shipped. Okay?
There's one very important question.
Yeah.
आपके घर में dog है क्या?
हमारे घर में dog है and you will not believe our dog loves any dairy products. Usko cheese, paneer, doodh. I mean, so we have to keep it away from him. Otherwise, we give him milk. He loves milk. He loves paneer. So when we say paneer, his ears go like. Anyways, any more? It was very, very nice, to come with Amul and do this session. Any questions? Please let me know.
People asking, can you use dark and chocolate compound instead of this?
Yes, you can. Amul, or you can check with Amul. They have very good compound. They've got very good Kuvitor chocolates, which are very, very nice. They've got. You can use any chocolate you like.
And how many days can we store it in the fridge?
Store what exactly? Store the dessert.
Mentioned.
Dessert, I think it's a dairy product, so 2 to 3 days in the fridge also. I would not say because it's summer. If it would have been winter, I could say 4 to 5 days. But right now, please not.
And how many days will cream cheese last in the fridge?
Cream cheese 10 to 15 days, कुछ नहीं होता है उसको. उसमें कुछ मत डालिएगा. ऐसे ही बिना वेनिला, बिना कोई फ्लेवर डाले आप उसको वैसे ही रख दो. टोस्ट के ऊपर लगाओ, बच्चों को खिलाओ. You can put it on your pizzas, pastas. You can use it as a savory. You can use it as a sweet dessert for your desserts, whatever. I use cream cheese as a decoration for my red velvet cake. I use this cream cheese as a decoration for my carrot walnut cake. For my banana bread sometimes I feel, and sometimes if I want to make a chocolate cake, simple chocolate cake, I just use this cream cheese as a topping with some grated chocolate.
And for sugar patients like diabetics and all that, what can you do? What do you use?
That's
Okay. And for the maple syrup and all that?
Maple syrup, no. If you are a diabetic, then I would say in this you can, these days in India, you're getting things like a monk fruit sweetener, which is a very pure 0 calorie sweetener. You can use that. I mean, I would not recommend too much of artificial sweeteners. थोड़ा सा आप date का syrup बना के डाल सकते हो diabetics के लिए. That would really help instead of adding direct sugar. Yeah. Anything?
And approximate calories in one dessert?
Approximate calories, I will have to count it at but yeah, I mean, I'll tell you now, this, who all can eat it as a clinical nutritionist, let me tell you, children, adults who have who first of all, who are working out regularly, who are working, if you're not working out, any amount of any kind of diet doesn't work. So you have to work. People, especially people who are into bodybuilding, people who are trying to lose weight and they want, to eat a treat once a week, it's very good for them. Then also, so people who are trying to lose weight can use this zero sugar or their 90% and this thing, and instead of the maple, you can add, you can add date syrup, or you can add on some monk fruit sweetener, या कभी कभी stevia भी आप add कर सकते हो. And instead of the full fat milk, because obviously lactose content, किसी को sugar, since lactose is a form of sugar, for some people it works, for some people जिनको lactose इतना नहीं work करता है, उनके लिए Amul has these low fat milk also. So you can use that as a substitute instead of full fat milk, and you can skip the cream then. You can skip the cream. So there are many variations. You can do whatever you feel like and make this product. Yeah.
Let me just check on.
Half an hour. If it's half an hour, we're done.
Where's the time?
Okay. I'll just check.
Ah.
1 second. How do you go on the other side? How do you make that? Okay, guys. First of all, I'd like to thank my son who was helping me out with the whole, video. It's a hot and summery day, and I couldn't put the fan or the AC on right now. So, anyways, any more questions, please let me know, because I think we'll sign off right now because it's already half an hour done and a lot of you have other things to do. So it was a short and easy recipe. Thank you so much, Meeta. Thank you so much. My name is Dr. Riya Banerjee Ankola. I am there on Instagram also. I am a clinical nutritionist, a food therapist, and basically I help people lose weight and get fit and deal with their medical issues eating right. And okay, so Charu has a question, can we use malai instead of cream? Yeah, you can, but that cream, this whipped up cream se alag ho aata hai. Thank you, Charu. I know my son is great. Thank you so much. And cream cheese savory recipe I will post. So my Instagram and my Facebook has recipes every day. You all can check and follow me there. Plus, I will come back with my husband very soon, and I'll tell you who he is. And he has played cricket for India. So he will be back with you all very soon to cook something very, very interesting. Till then, lots of love, and thank you so much once again, Amul India, for inviting me to do this wonderful and very, very engrossing cooking session. Thank you so much.